Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can go about setting up a Wi-Fi connection on your Chromecast with Google TV or how to change your Wi-Fi connection. So to do this with your Google TV remote in the top tabs area, scroll over until you get all the way to the right-hand side, which is going to be your account. Then go down and click where it says Settings. And then in the general settings area, it's going to be network and internet. And if you're currently connected to Wi-Fi, it will list which Wi-Fi router that you're connected to. So we're going to go over into the network and internet area. You want to make sure that you have Wi-Fi toggled to the on position. And below that, it's going to have all the available networks that are in your general vicinity. And then you can go down and click where it says See All. And by clicking See All, it will show you every single internet connection or Wi-Fi router that is in your general vicinity. And whichever Wi-Fi router you want to connect to, let's say, for instance, I wanted to change from X522 over to 10.22 5G. Just go ahead and select that. And you have to enter the password for that particular wireless router and click enter. And as long as you typed in that password correctly, it should connect you to the wireless router that you're interested in hooking your Chromecast with Google TV into. And under your available networks, whichever wireless router that you wanted to connect to should show up in that area. And then below that, it will also have saved networks that you have connected to in the past. So I hope this video is helpful, showing you how you can go about either changing the wireless router that you're hooked into or how to just hook into a wireless internet router on your Chromecast with Google TV. I hope this video is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.